guys, welcome back again to YouTube channel. I am Tutor Sukses. Today I will share you about gadget and Android, how to activate it, about the opsi developer, and then I will show you tutorial to do that. Okay, first of all, you must open your console about the setting. And then you can click top console. After that I change my language about the English, United Kingdom, and then open phone, and you choose the version baseband and kernel. You click, and this is a build number. When you open your website, you will find build number and click 7 times. I will practice. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and I have a pola. And then you're now in developer mode, yeah. Okay, how to see that detail? You can choose about the additional setting. You can see developer options. Yes, the developer option is activated. The mode developer activated, and you can look option this. Yes, with debugging when you connected your phone to your laptop or PC, about the upgrade or flashing and upgrade manual for your application, your phone, and anything else. You can choose that you want to change. Okay, I think it's enough. If you don't understand for this video, you can write in below on the comment, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and see you again to the next video. If you want to request about the problem or solution for your problem, you can write in the comment in the best of the video. See you again. Bye bye. Yeah.